Happy Easter. Look at we're gonna dye Easter eggs. Ready? On a count of 3. 1, 2, 3. What the? Egghead.
Today we'll do dyed eggs.
For Easter, that's right.
Do I need to be good all the time?
So you're drawing. Why don't you make one of them like a Spider-Man with your secret marker?
You can't see it.
Yes, it's top secret. That's all right. That'll be a colored egg inside. How do you know if they're boiled? How can you tell if they're boiled?
Because they're not scrambled.
Nah, because they could spin. Regular eggs won't spin. These will spin. If they're boiled, they spin.
I smell it.
Yeah, vinegar's got a unique smell.
Oh, it's green. Can I touch that?
Oh, get it? Top secret. Nobody knows.
I don't know what mine are. How they
have to wait for them.
Oh no! Look, he made a mistake. It's okay.
It's okay. No, that one kind of had a crack already. So that means the egg is going to turn colors inside.
That's okay. It's
Rainbow.
Good color.
What?
It'll be a rainbow egg, yeah.
Yeah.
That's a cool one.
I can't see the picture.
You got one of each color, huh?
How do we take them out?
Look here, do it like this.
No, do it.
Can you see your picture? This way it's not that messy. Caleb, can you bring that thing over? Push that carton closer in. With your arm.
Look, Caleb, this is your picture.
Whoa, look at
What
that.
is that? I
Oh,
think you might gotta leave it in the dye a little bit longer.
can I?
Oh no, he's got camouflage.
Can I
So is
use
that coloring thing not working too well?
Does it work? It was only like $2 for the kit at Walmart.
Can I do this?
This one looks cool though. Who did that one? It's got purple in there too. That looks
That
really
was-
neat.
My earth one.
Oh, is that yours? That one came out cool.
Mine came out cool. Looks like earth.
It does. This one's got a crack in it too.
That's okay.
Can I use these? Whoa!
That one looks cool, Caleb. That looks like sherbet.
Mmm. It's
Reminds me of
Charlie
Ice
Sherbert.
cream. Yum.
Among Us!
Is he
Yes.
there? Let me see.
Did he stay?
Oh, he's a little cutie.
He's there. He stayed. Caleb, put it in the thing.
Do we have a white crayon? I think a white crayon will work better.
Well, that's supposed to be the magic crayon.
Well, that magic crayon isn't working. Crap. Where's your crayons?
Wow, that's very beautiful, baby. I like it.
You can't find the sisters do this.
Your Sasatugas? Too good?
Whoa. I made this one.
It looks like a planet. It's a sus planet. Outer space.
Can I do that one?
There's one here.
He brought you a crayon.
There's one over here,
baby.
But I don't want the white.
You don't have a white, you have a brown. Hello, colorblind.
We'll see if that works any better.
Harper, look over here. Smile. Big smile. There you go. Makes a good sound. Okay. Dropped it in.
Did it work? Too?
Here comes Easter Bunny hopping down the bunny lane. He's got candy and buck teeth, and he's gonna call you a name. That don't mean it. Whoa! Caleb drops him in like a bomb. Boom!
Happy Easter.
Easter.
You love Easter?
Easter bunny's coming to town.
Look, it has
Like
a
the
mouth
table.
like it's you. Oh, hey, oh, hey.
Oh my
You're
god.
a special child.
Why is that Among Us with an old mouth?
With the O mouth. Oh. Huggy Wuggy.
Huggy Wuggy, can I see? Yeah. Do you see my Venom Among Us?
Oh, cool. That's very pretty pastel pink.
What is this?
An egg.
I don't
Look
know
at
who
your
put that one in
hands.
there.
You look like you turned into the Hulk.
Mm-hmm.
Kid Hulk.
Yeah, you need another one. Here's that one.
What is this?
Oh, look at Caleb's. That came out cool. Looks like a teepee on there.
Wait, that one has a hole. That one has a toy in it. Shows up the toy in it.
You almost get all the eggs. They look so pretty. There's just two more. Well, the ones that you and Caleb got, and then they'll be all complete.
Here's my earth.
Came out really good. That's a very pretty one.
Y'all getting dizzy? You got my egg earth. See that? How bled purple in there?
That one's cool.
Ooh, ah!
Ooh, ah, ah. Earthy.
Yeah.
Make some plants on There he is.
That looks neat.
Cool.
Wow.
Well, they're not white anymore.
Is that the last one?
Oh, that one looks like Mars or Mercury.
Wow. Very good.
Ah. Caleb
Well done.
Lebecki.
Caleb,
Oh.
that's for somebody to eat. You're digging a crown into it. Oh my god, what did you do? Nobody could eat that one now.
What the fork? Like a damn chicken trying to escape.
Oh my god. Alright. So what do you say? Happy Easter!
Happy Easter!
Eat you later.
Eat you later.
No drama, yeah, yeah.